I got a new face for my neck. Hi, my name's Christine L. Conroy. Welcome to Happy Stuff and Fluff, a channel for women over 50 who are getting happy and growing younger. So, as I talked about in the last video about my morning skincare routine, I'll leave a link here. I asked a question: have you ever sat down in front of a mirror and thought, oh, what's that? Well, it happened to me at the hairdresser's. I sat down, ready to have my hair done, in front of the huge mirror and harsh lights, and just turned to look at the mirror. Oh, what's that? That wasn't there before. I guess it was there before, but the harsh lights certainly pointed it out to me. And that was wrinkles on my neck. And that was what the catalyst for me saying, right, okay, now I've got to do what I can about those. So that's what I'm doing, and I want to tell you about it today. So first of all, I invested in a electrical current device, and I did a little bit of research, and I'm sure you know or can guess that what came out on top in terms of these devices is the NewFace Trinity, and this is the box it came in. I got the gold Trinity, so the deluxe model, thinking, in for a penny, in for a pound. Actually, in for quite a few pounds. It retails at about $315, and although you would expect that to be considerably less in pounds sterling, guys in the UK, as is usual, or very often, no, it isn't that much cheaper. It actually retails at about £300. I think we are diddled a little bit in this country, aren't we? Anyway, I got a really good deal on this, and I'm going to leave a link to the place I got it to below, because included in this kit is this NewFace Prep and Glow. These are 5 cleaning cloths. So on one side they are for cleansing, and the other side is for exfoliating. They have little bumps on them, which are quite effective to use. And it also came with the conducting gel, which is this primer gel. It came with this, which also has firming qualities. And it also came with this cute little bag, hand painted pouch in pink and gold that fits the device into it like that. So this is what we're talking about, and it also comes in with a charging cradle, and it sits in that most of the time. Let me turn it on for you. So that's the noise you hear. In a minute you'll hear a beep. There it goes. So how you do this emits this electrical current, small electrical currents, into the muscles of your skin, which is attached, the muscles in your neck or your face, which are attached to the skin, and helps to firm the skin. So we go, for example, let's wait for the beep, would be here. I'm not going to demonstrate it to you. There's loads of people demonstrating it online. And till you hear the beep again, then you come up a little bit and move along again, going up each time. So gliding along over the conductor gel, like this. Then you would do your jaw, up your face, and the same on your forehead, going that way. Each time you hear the beep, you move along to the next section and go up again. You would do all of that, and then of course you do exactly the same thing on the opposite side. Let's just turn that off. So it has 5 settings. The lowest one is 1, and the highest one obviously is up to 5. When I first got it, I started on 1, then 2, then 3, and worked up to now that I'm on 5. But just let me tell you, if you do not put enough of the conductor gel on, you are going to feel it. So make sure you do put enough on. That's the first thing. It comes with this booklet, which tells you step by step how to do it. If you can see that, what moves to make with it. There's a basic way to do it, and then there's a more advanced one. Now, I notice online on YouTube that some ladies using it are not doing it this way. They're doing it a different way. I would say to you, I've already started to adapt the way I'm using it too, but I'm not going to tell you about that because I want you to do it the right way and not my way. And obviously, follow the steps in the book step by step in order to get the benefits that they are suggesting from it. Now, on the clinical trials that they did, which they did for using this device for 5 minutes every day for 30 days, 85% of people saw an improvement in facial contour, 80% saw smoother skin, and 77% felt that their skin tone had improved. Now, this is what I need. I got it for my neck. What you mustn't do, incidentally, is go like that way along. They say stay away from, you know, your Adam's apple is and your windpipe down here. Don't do that. So you go from either side of that up each way. But as I say, it explains in the booklet how you're meant to do it. Those results over 30 days, you know, I thought, right, okay, well, I'm going to give it 60 days and I'm going to do this every day. Now, it is an investment in time too, but probably about 10 minutes. But added that on to your morning skincare routine, then it starts to take quite some time. So, as I say, you need to get up earlier and if you're doing it in the morning. Now, when I said to you in my morning skincare routine, this is what's happening before my vitamin C. So clean my face, use this, which could be for, say, 10 minutes, and then my regular morning routine. And after that, I now am using this, which one of our subscribers recommended. Now, it was funny because I was doing research on neck cream already when she mentioned this. It must be a sign. Neck Elasticity Catalyst, and it's by NEOD. So NEOD are also the people who do the ordinary. NEOD stands for non-invasive options in dermal science. Now, the science that's gone into this little pot is really quite amazing. If you're interested, go over to Deciem. That's the company. Deciem, they do NEOD and they do the ordinary. And have a look. The pro-elastin and elastic fibre technologies in here are too much and complicated for me to talk about. But it's in full detail on their website, so have a look at that. And I've just been using this for... It's a bit like... There's some kind of herby smell. It's almost medicinal too, that it smells of. And it looks a bit like Vaseline. But you only need a little bit, and it spreads quite nicely. So, between this and this, added to my normal routine, then I'm hoping this is going to improve. We'll see, and I'll let you know. Okay, that's it for now. I'll be back soon, and until then, remember that on the Happy Stuff and Fluff, we are getting happy and growing younger. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.